Coco and Miko.
Selamat Hari Raya to all Komi's friend. Today, we are going to tell a story about Hari Raya with our little friends. We will discover the fun traditions and activities that people usually do during Hari Raya. Stay with us and watch until the end. In a beautiful house filled with colorful magnetic tiles windows, where lanterns glow warmly and the floor sparkles with patterns, live 5 adorable little kittens. They are cousins, best friends, and they love playing together every day. During Hari Raya, our relatives and family members visit our home. They bring smiles, warm wishes, and Dude Raya for the children. We sit together, enjoy delicious food, and celebrate the day with laughter and happiness. After that, we played magnetic tiles together happily. We built tall towers and carefully stacked the pieces one by one. We worked together to make sure our tower stayed strong and didn't fall down. It was so much fun building and playing together with our friends, especially during Hari Raya. And that is how we spent our wonderful Hari Raya together. We shared delicious food, received green packets from our family, and had so much fun playing together. Hari Raya is not only about gifts and celebrations, but also about spending happy moments with the people we love. Thank you for watching our story. See you again in our next adventure. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share to your family member. Bye-bye.